Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a different type of video. We are doing a watch video. So this is a watch on my wrist and it's the Graham Silverstone Stowe. I'm sorry it's upside down because obviously I'm wearing on my left hand. So if you want to see what watches and know what this watch is all about, stay tuned and let's get cracking. Welcome back guys. So this is obviously the Graham Silverstone Stowe and I've been given some time to get familiarized with this watch together with this BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe that I'm driving today. And let me tell you a bit about this watch over here. So Graham is a company which was formed around 95, so it's been around for about 20 odd years. And the company itself, the heritage goes way back. It goes to like 1695 or something like that, because the inspiration behind the company is from Mr. Graham, which has got very deep roots into the pendulum watches back then. So what is this watch all about, and why am I in a car reviewing about a car and looking at the watch? Because this is a car for car enthusiasts. Let me show you what it is. So let's zoom in over here. I hope you can see this, and let me just lock in the focus. Oh, beautiful. So again, this is the Graham Silverstone Stowe. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, awesome. So what do we have over here? Let me just walk you through some features that's on the watch dial itself. So on the dial, obviously you got the outer ring here. The outer ring here actually is a GMT ring, and you know it's a GMT because if you look at that dial, the GMT dial there, this is the GMT dial. So that's a GMT. So if you want to have dual zone, now before you had watches and handphones, you had watch with dual zone. So right now the time now is 5:30, but this tells me I'm somewhere at 7:30 a.m. That's my second GMT time zone, wherever that may be. So that's my second time zone. Over here you've got the chronograph, and over down there you've got the big dial for my date, the 23rd of April. The back itself, I hope you can see this, but the back itself, we can see the back there, that's actually a carbon fiber motif, and that motif goes across over to the side too. On the side, as you can see here, the side here, there is this insert which is a carbon fiber insert, which I quite like, because normally if the front case, the case and the front face is flat, this will be a very large looking watch. By doing that a little bit there, it kind of broke up that space and make it just look a little bit smaller, because they want to wear big watches but don't want to look too big, and this actually achieves that very nicely. Now going to the side, you've got this strap there, which is quite unique. These are vulcanized rubber strap, very comfortable in hand. There's no obviously at this price point there won't be anything like cutting or shaving, but it's very soft, very pliable, very comfortable. And in the front there you've got these tread marks. These are tire marks from the Silverstone, obviously, and it's asymmetrical. They are not the same on each side. There's a word called Graham there, sorry, Graham inscription there. Gives you a kind of, you know that it's just a Graham watch on both sides. And in the back you've got this relief there, again to channel off dirt and grime and water off your hands. Sorry, my hands quite dirty over there. What else? In the back here you've got this, as you can see here, the rubber, there's this little pieces over there, and in the front, if you can see there, it's almost flush to the metal piece. So it's a flush looking watch as far as the strap is concerned. What it means is you will not get any daylight coming through, nothing will get stuck there. And because it's this way, the strap tends to flare, to go down instead of flaring up, which means it will hug your hand quite well. So that hugging motion happens with that strap being this way, and being it's soft, it's very nice on the wrist. If you go to the side there, you got three the crown and pushers. The center one obviously is to wind as well as to set your time and your date. As the word 48 is there because it's a 48-hour reserve movement. The movement itself, it's a Jalview 7750 from Switzerland, and they've taken that movement and modified it. So obviously the Jalview movement didn't have, I think, a date as well as the GMT, if I'm mistaken, and they've added that too. And obviously we've got the flyback. What's the flyback? So if you see on the side here, it says flyback on this little dial over here. So if you were to try to do a stopwatch action, so we press here, press up, start, it goes and beats very nicely, and I press stop. When I press the flyback, you can see that it snaps. Yeah, that snapping action can only be achieved if you got a flyback mechanism. So yeah, pretty cool to have that in place. Very unique piece of watch. From far you'll see it's different. It's not like any other designs, because if you take a look at watches nowadays, a lot of watches, if it's a diving watch or it's a sports watch or a chronograph watch, there's a theme to it. Everybody will say, oh, this is like a oh, this looks like a Hublot, this looks like a Rolex, this looks like something. It always looks like something. This, I think, tries to be different, and being different is good in this day and age. On the side here, if you can see there is this little bolt, correct? And I thought this is quite cute, because why? Yeah, it's a car, so you must have bolts and nuts, and they've got this design there. This is to unlock the mechanism. So you unlock this and you screw this back. That's how you get the crown in and out. In the back, you've got this open case, so you can actually see the movement. Very nice. As I said, it's a 28 jewel movement, and yeah, very nice, very nice. So let me turn off this. Yeah, so this is the watch I'm wearing for today. I wish I had a green color card to go with this. It'd be awesome, but it isn't. It's a watch I'm just trying out for today with this BMW 2 Series. The review's coming up soon. Check it out. But then again, if you are into watches, let me know what watch are you into. I want to hear. And if I should do more videos about watches, I love watches, but I've never done a video on it. This is my first video on watches. Let me know what I should improve on, where should I change around, what should I be focusing more. I would love to hear your comments. And always, I end with saying, go out there and have a little more fun.